So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can fix the warning of updating the username over the Discord platform. Like when I open the Discord on my PC, you are going to see the option of action needed over this, a warning sign over there which says action needed, update your username. Now to fix that issue, it's just saying to update your username because the latest updates of the Discords provides you to set a unique username for a particular profile. Now to fix this, all you have to do is to just simply click on the option of get started. When you click there, you're going to see update your username window which says unique username are easier to remember and share with the friends. You can choose a display name to control how your profile is going to be look, but you can select a unique username as well to share whenever you share your profile with someone. Currently a username has been set to us by the Discord automatically until we are going to update it. Now I'm going to click on the button of get started. When I click on the get start, first it's going to say how the display name is going to be. For the example, if I select this, now when I click next, you are going to see option of a username window. Now from here you have to first select any username that you want to add to your Discord profile. For example, if I set any username as per my preference, but there's a condition that this username has to be unique. Nobody else is going to be unique using it. Now you can see currently this username is available and no one else is using it. So once I write my username over there and hit submit, you are going to see my username are updated and it is asking for a human verification. I need to pass this step. Some permission has been asked by it. When I click there, you are going to see this issue has been solved. When I click got it, you are going to see that warning sign has been now removed and the unique username has been set to my profile. So by this method you can easily fix that issue of that warning over your Discord platform or Discord profile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.